Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, February 24th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a liquid. We make gasoline from it and we eat a different kind. Number 2 is to wake up at 7. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The oil is wet. The oil is wet. Oil. It is a liquid that does not mix with water. Now we can make a card for oil. Please write oil up here in the top left corner, O-I-L. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category. N1, R-E-G means regular. N1 means noun, level 1. Over here the number 120 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Oil. Oil. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. Jennifer wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. Wakes up at. She finishes sleeping and begins her day. Now we can make a card for wake up at. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, to wake up at 7 a.m. We use a.m. for the first 12 hours in a day. Down here in the bottom left corner, DA1. This means daily activity, level 1. Over here the number 24 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The 2 red letters on the top sound like A, like ABC. Wake up at. Wake up at. Game over. That was lots of fun. You did really well today. Today we learned oil. Very good. We have 2 kinds. One kind for making gasoline and another kind like olive oil that we eat. Number 2, to wake up at 7. What time do you wake up every day? Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Do you know number 1? The missing letter is the first letter in the alphabet. This is like a door, but it's usually outside. Number 2 is a person that creates lyrics for music. Songwriter. Very good. And number 3 is when you're in a restaurant and you want something, you have to order it. Very good. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.